A few months ago, I was just another broke teen scrolling through my phone, watching others flex their earnings, wondering, how are they making so much money online? I thought you needed connections, a fancy degree, or some crazy technical skills to make serious cash. But guess what? I was wrong. Fast forward to today, and I'm making over $500 a day, using simple online strategies that no one is talking about. No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scam. These are real, proven methods that actually work. And the best part? You don't need experience, a huge following, or a big budget to start. If you have a phone or laptop, you can do this. In this video, I'll show you 5 insane ways to make money online with actual proof and step-by-step breakdowns, so you can start making money today. Let's go. Number 1. Selling AI-generated digital products. Earn $1,000 plus per month on autopilot. Have you ever bought a digital planner, resume template, or an ebook? You probably don't realize this, but most of these products were made using AI. And here's the best part. You can do it too, with almost zero effort. I tested this myself. I used ChatGPT to write an ebook on productivity hacks, then designed a simple cover using Canva. I listed it on Gumroad for $9.99, and guess what? I made my first sale within a week. Now, I have multiple products selling on platforms like Etsy, and the best part? It's all passive income. Number 2, Instagram automation for affiliate marketing. Make money while you sleep. You've seen those viral Instagram accounts posting Amazon finds, AI tools, or insane life hacks, right? Most of them aren't even run by real people. They're fully automated money machines. I set up an Instagram page where I post AI tool reviews, but I don't record a single video. Instead, I use AI to generate voiceovers, stock footage, and captions. Then, I add an affiliate link in the bio, so every time someone buys a tool I recommend, I get a commission. Here's the insane part. One of my videos hit 500K views, and I made $200 in commissions that week. And I didn't even spend a dime on ads. Some Instagram influencers are making $5,000 plus per month doing this. Number 3, AI-powered voiceover work. Get paid for speaking without showing your face. Even if you hate your voice, AI can turn you into a professional voiceover artist. Right now, businesses, YouTubers, and content creators need voiceovers, but they don't have time to record them. I signed up on Upwork and started offering AI-enhanced voiceovers. I used 11 Labs to improve my voice and make it sound studio quality. My first gig, $50 for a 5-minute script. It took me 15 minutes to record, and I was hooked. Now, some freelancers are charging $200 plus per gig, and companies are willing to pay for quality. If you're good at storytelling, you can even use AI to create audiobooks and sell them on Audible or Spotify. Think about it. Your voice could be making you money while you sleep. Number 4, AI-powered faceless YouTube channels, the ultimate passive income machine. YouTube is a goldmine right now, but what if I told you that you don't even have to show your face to make thousands of dollars a month? Welcome to AI-powered YouTube channels. Here's how it works. Instead of spending hours recording and editing videos, you can use AI tools to automate the entire process. ChatGPT can write the script. 11 Labs can generate realistic voiceovers, and AI editors like Pictory or Runway AI can create the visuals. I tested this with a motivational quotes channel. I used ChatGPT to generate powerful quotes, combined them with royalty-free footage and background music, and uploaded them. Within 2 months, one of my videos hit 100K views, and I started making $1,000 plus per month from ad revenue alone. Now, imagine scaling this with multiple channels. Number 5, local business AI automation. Get paid to solve problems. This one is seriously underrated, and it's how I landed 1,000 plus clients without any experience. Small businesses are clueless when it comes to AI. They still manually answer emails, book appointments, and handle customer service. What if you could automate all of that? I walked into a local salon and pitched them an AI chatbot to handle bookings and FAQs. They agreed to pay me $300 upfront plus a $50 per month maintenance fee. I set up a simple chatbot using ChatGPT and ManyChat, and now it's running their business on autopilot. Look, Most people will watch this video, get excited for a few minutes, and then do nothing. And that's why they'll stay stuck, wondering why others are making money while they're still broke. But you're different. You've made it this far, which means you actually want to change your situation. The truth is, nobody is coming to save you. No one is going to hand you free money. But if you take just one of these methods and actually start today, I promise a few months from now, you'll look back and thank yourself for taking action. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one hustle, drop it in the comments, and commit to trying it this week. And if you want me to go deeper into any of these strategies, let me know, because I'll break it all down in the next video. Hit that like button if this video gave you even one new idea, and subscribe, because trust me, the next video is going to blow your mind. Now, stop watching and go start your hustle.